Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Understand English, ma'am.
Are you a
Ma'am.
Okay, so are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia? Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am. Healthy.
Okay, if you feel unwell but you're staying in the Philippines, okay, so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Diana Rose Puntilar. I live in Barangay Labangat, Bagong Silang, General Santos City. I'm 31 years old. I have a living partner, single. I have 3 kids, 2 daughter and 1 son. Uh, my birthday is February 7, 1994.
That's
That's all.
all? Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first. Do you have already your passport?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5 flat. My weight is 46.
What is your religion?
My religion is Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
Fourth year high school, ma'am.
Did you graduated or no?
No, only fourth year high school, ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned that you got 3 children and you also got live-in partner. Who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. My living partner and my mother.
How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
My living partner, 39 years old, and occupation is vulcanizer.
Okay, so what about
Vulcanizer.
your mother? How old is she and what is her
My
occupation?
mom, 51 years old, housewife.
Okay, so how many brother and sister do you have?
Yes, I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters.
What is your rank
I'm
in
the
your family?
I'm the second of the oldest.
You are the second. So is your husband or your live-in partner allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Hmm.
We don't have problem later?
No, mom.
Noah, okay. So in your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2021 to 2023 in Kuwait and you finished your contract, right?
Yes, mom.
Can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Kuwait? What are your
Like,
duties? What is your job responsibilities there?
I do, I do ironing. I do cleaning the house. I do wash, wash the clothes, and I do take care of kids, mom.
Take care of kids. How old are those children and how many children?
What, mom?
How
I'm
old are
sorry, mom.
how many children you take care in Kuwait?
4 kids, mom.
How old are those children?
The youngest is 4 years old. The second is 6 years old. And the third, 8 years old. And the oldest is 12 years old.
Okay. So what happened? Why you didn't continue? Of course, you finished your contract. Why you didn't continue with this employer?
I want to come to another country, mom.
Okay. So after 2023 and until now, do you have any working experience or you are a full-time mother?
I'm a full-time mother, mom.
Okay. So being a domestic helper is not new for you. You already knew what are those preferences of the employers. But you don't need to compare Kuwait and Malaysia because it's quite different. I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. Employer here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness, so you need to get ready yourself because you might experience those things that you didn't experience in Kuwait, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby or children while doing house chores at the same time?
The baby, ma'am, no.
What about children?
Children, okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you take care elderly people? Can you take care elderly people? Can you Okay, can you take care elderly people?
Sorry, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will going to sign a 2 years contract, same like what you did in Kuwait, okay? You sign a 2 years contract. You cannot simply say that I wanted to go back home because I miss my family, or you cannot handle your job anymore. No such a thing, because you will sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, but if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary, which means in our contract right now, we have 1,800, but if you will work, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that you wanted or you agree with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I agree, ma'am.
Yeah, because we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree
Yes.
or you disagree. If you agree, then you can come, work properly, don't give us problem. And if you disagree, it's okay also. You can stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries, okay?
Ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your family, okay?
Okay,
In
ma'am.
Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there. You can drunk. You can drink until you're drunk. But here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to
Yes,
follow
ma'am.
the rules and regulations. We need to humble ourselves. We need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You've been stuck in the Philippines for almost 2 years, okay? Your last working experience in Kuwait is way back 2023. And I know once you come to work here in Malaysia, homesickness will strike you anytime and anywhere. How will you gonna handle it later? What will you do if you miss your family?
Ma'am, sorry.
What will you do if you miss your family?
I call my family, ma'am.
And then
After work.
after work.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
all.
That's all.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Diana Rose. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.